This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Easy furniture projects are no longer just weekend hobbies or simple do-it-yourself experiments. Today, they represent one of the most practical ways to combine creativity, home improvement, and steady profit. Across homes, apartments, studios, and small businesses, people are searching for furniture that feels personal, functional, and affordable, and this demand opens a powerful opportunity for makers who understand how to build simple pieces that look elegant and sell consistently. When furniture is designed with ease of construction in mind, it lowers production time, reduces material waste, and allows even small workshops or individual craftsmen to produce items that compete confidently in modern markets. The beauty of easy furniture projects lies in their balance between simplicity and value, because buyers are not only paying for wood and screws but for comfort, style, and the feeling of bringing something meaningful into their living space. In this narration, we will explore how straightforward furniture designs can elevate home decor while also becoming reliable sources of income, proving that profitability does not require complexity but rather thoughtful design, smart material choices, and a clear understanding of what people truly want in their homes. Easy furniture projects succeed in both decor and profit because they focus on solving everyday problems in attractive ways. A small side table, for example, may seem modest in construction, but when designed with clean lines, balanced proportions, and a smooth finish, it becomes a versatile piece that fits living rooms, bedrooms, and offices alike. Buyers value furniture that adapts easily to different spaces, and this flexibility increases its market appeal. From a maker's perspective, side tables require minimal material, limited tools, and short build times, making them ideal for repeat production and consistent sales. When such pieces are presented as functional decor rather than just furniture, their perceived value increases, allowing higher pricing without significant additional cost. Another strong category within easy furniture projects is seating. Simple benches, stools, and compact chairs are always in demand because they serve both practical and decorative roles. A well-crafted wooden bench can be placed in an entryway, at the foot of a bed, or along a dining wall, offering storage, seating, or visual balance. The profit advantage comes from the straightforward joinery and the ability to batch produce similar designs. By maintaining a consistent style while offering slight variations in size or finish, a maker can attract a wider audience without redesigning each piece from scratch. Seating projects also allow the use of reclaimed or leftover wood, which reduces material costs and strengthens the story behind the product, something modern buyers increasingly appreciate. Storage furniture represents one of the most profitable areas for easy builds because it addresses a universal need. Shelving units, wall racks, and small cabinets can be designed in modular formats that simplify production and installation. Open shelving, in particular, has become popular due to its light visual impact and adaptability across kitchens, offices, and living areas. From a business perspective, shelves are efficient because they require fewer components and can be shipped or transported easily, reducing logistical challenges. When shelves are marketed as solutions for organization and aesthetic improvement, customers are willing to invest in multiple units, increasing total sales per client. Tables, especially coffee tables and compact dining tables, remain central to home decor and offer strong earning potential when designed for simplicity. A rectangular coffee table with sturdy legs and a smooth top can be built quickly, yet it often becomes the focal point of a room. Profitability increases when such tables are offered in different finishes or wood tones, allowing customers to choose a version that matches their interior style. By standardizing dimensions and construction methods, makers can control costs and production time while still presenting their products as custom or artisanal. This balance between efficiency and individuality is key to sustainable income. Furniture projects that integrate multiple functions often command higher prices despite simple construction. A bench that includes hidden storage, a table with a lower shelf, or a stool that doubles as a side table appeals to buyers who value practicality. These designs do not necessarily require complex mechanisms, rather, they rely on thoughtful planning and precise execution. The added function enhances perceived value, making customers more comfortable paying a premium. For makers, multifunctional furniture builds a reputation for clever design, which can lead to repeat customers and word-of-mouth referrals. The success of easy furniture projects also depends heavily on finishing and presentation. Smooth sanding, consistent staining, and protective coatings elevate even the simplest design. Customers often judge quality by touch and appearance, and a well-finished piece communicates care and professionalism. Investing time in finishing pays back through higher prices and fewer complaints or returns. From a profit standpoint, mastering a reliable finishing process reduces rework and ensures consistency across products, which is essential for scaling production. Material selection plays a crucial role in both cost control and visual appeal. Using readily available wood types keeps expenses predictable, while thoughtful grain selection enhances the final look. Many successful furniture makers use a mix of solid wood and engineered materials to balance strength, appearance, and affordability. This approach allows them to offer durable products at competitive prices while maintaining healthy margins. Transparency about materials also builds trust with buyers, who appreciate honesty and clarity. Marketing easy furniture projects effectively transforms simple builds into desirable decor items. High-quality photos showing furniture in real home settings help buyers imagine the piece in their own space. Clear descriptions that emphasize benefits, such as space-saving, durability, or versatility, shift the focus from construction simplicity to lifestyle improvement. When customers understand how a piece will improve their daily life, price becomes less of a barrier. For makers, this means that storytelling is just as important as craftsmanship in achieving profit. Pricing strategy is another factor that determines long-term success. Easy furniture projects allow for competitive pricing because production costs are lower, but underpricing can undermine perceived value. Setting prices that reflect quality, design, and durability ensures sustainable income and positions the maker as a professional rather than a hobbyist. Over time, consistent pricing builds brand trust and makes financial planning more predictable. Customization options can further increase earnings without drastically increasing workload. Offering choices in size, finish, or minor design details allows customers to feel involved in the creation process. Because the core design remains the same, customization does not disrupt production flow but adds value. This approach also reduces competition, as customized pieces are harder to compare directly with mass-produced furniture. Easy furniture projects thrive when they align with current interior trends while maintaining timeless appeal. Clean lines, natural textures, and functional forms tend to age well and remain attractive across changing styles. Makers who focus on these principles reduce the risk of producing items that quickly go out of fashion. From a profit perspective, timeless designs ensure longer selling periods and reduce the need for constant redesign. Easy furniture projects prove that meaningful profit and beautiful home decor can grow from simple ideas executed with care and intention. By focusing on functional designs, efficient construction, and thoughtful presentation, makers can transform basic furniture into desirable products that sell consistently and enhance living spaces. These projects offer a realistic path toward income, allowing creativity to meet practicality without unnecessary complexity. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.